Say hi. What? Okay. You gonna stay on this with me? You're gonna stay here with mom. Okay. Alright. Okay. Thank you. Good job. Alright. He's gonna film a video now, okay? Okay, say bye-bye. Hi everybody, I am doing a 1-year review slash what I feel about this beautiful, this is my Chanel Coco Handle in the lilac color from 20A, I believe. This is what it looks like. The stickers are still on the bag. You can still see them on here. I haven't taken them off yet, and there's a reason for that. So yeah, let's get this video started. This bag I purchased exactly a little over a year ago, and I'll link my unboxing video somewhere on the screen or in the description box down below. And I fell in love with this color. So beautiful. It's even more beautiful in person. It's honestly just a very stunning bag. And like I said, this is in the small size, and I also did a comparison between this one and the mini size, which now is considered the small, and this is now considered the large or just the regular size, I believe. But anyways, I initially chose this one obviously because I don't have the mini anymore. But yeah, so it features a very structured top handle with the hooks for the strap, a CC turn lock closure, which is the light gold hardware. Features the CC turn lock closure. When you open it up, you have the main compartment right here, which has two pockets and a lipstick pocket in the center. And then you have your zip compartment, which is right here. And then you have your back pocket. You have your back pocket, which has your Chanel Maiden stamp, along with a zipper compartment still. And then when you turn it around, you have the very useful back pocket, which is pretty generous. You can fit in your phone back here. However, I personally don't, just because I don't want to misshapen the bag and just loosen up any of the puffs. As you can tell, this bag is super puffy. The quilts are perfect. Okay, and here are some mod shots. I am 4'11", 5 foot for reference. And it hits me below my hip. I can also crossbody. However, if you open it, it kind of hits right here. It's not uncomfortable by any means because it is pretty soft, even though it is caviar leather. But I just personally wouldn't wear it crossbody. Now, my honest thoughts. I love it, like I said. However, I only love looking at it because it's such a light color, and because of the size, it's a bit heavy, and because it's very bottom heavy. Oh, I also forgot to mention there's 4 feet at the bottom, very reinforced base, which is very, very helpful for this price point that we're paying, which I'm not sure. I don't really keep track of the Coco Handle anymore. If you guys have noticed, I haven't purchased anything from Chanel for over a year. I think this was my last Chanel purchase. Oh my gosh, this was my last Chanel purchase. Anyway, I'm pretty sure the price has gone up for this bag, maybe a few $100s. And anyways, yeah, so I feel like I made a mistake when I kept this instead of the mini. Okay, so like I was saying, I've only worn this maybe twice, maybe I'd say 5 times at most, and it's very light with nothing in it, but even with stuff in it, it's still very light and you don't really feel anything. But that's also because the interior is cloth lining, not leather lining, and no wear or anything on the hardware. Corners are good, but that's also, like I said, because I don't use it. So let me just show you guys the corners. Look spectacular. No wear and tear whatsoever, which is another thing because it is a bit wider. It's more of a medium to large size bag. When you're wearing it, it tends to go like this, and when you hit it in a corner, it's just major anxiety attack because obviously you don't want to damage your very expensive handbag. So that's what I would say. It's caviar, so it's easy to clean. But yeah, if you guys want a good medium-sized bag, then I would recommend getting the Coco Handle. However, me personally, I'm more of a crossbody small size bag person, and so I wish I would have kept the mini and sold this one instead. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'm trying to show the true color of this bag. Anyways, alright, I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Bye.